everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. In this video, we go to the new lesson 8 that talking about the virtual pets with Sprite Lab. Okay, so in the first puzzle, we see the dog and maybe something is here. I think it is meal or this is ball here. So what what does this puzzle want us to do? Okay, we can see the instruction here, the virtual pets. Okay, it's a wow. Check out this cool pet. Okay, so let's read the do this. Okay, play with the virtual pet program. Okay, read the code to see how it works. You can even make change. Okay, you read the code below and you can change it too. Okay, so what happened when the pet touch the other sprite? And what happened when you click the pet? Okay, so it is want us to run the code, play with the pet. So when you are done and click finish. So for the first, we just run this and maybe you play with the click on the pet. Okay, you can hear the sound. Okay, that sound for this meal. And okay, I can move the ball here, and this also can move. Okay, but the dog is cannot move. Okay, so I drag and to the dog. Okay, okay. So when the ball and the dog touch each other, so the dog starts spinning. Okay, how about this touch? Okay, when this touch, the dog is bigger. Okay, it's bigger, bigger. Okay, it's still big. Okay, big, 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 big. Okay, so the ball. Okay, play the sound and spinning the same. Okay, so what do you think about this puzzle? What does happen when the with click or when you drag one sprite to touch each other? Okay, so it has the we can call it the even, or yes, that's right, even. When you click the dog, it's occur the even click, and the ball touch the dog or even touch. Okay, so we can make it less, and you see the code here. Okay, let's talk about the code. For the first, it set background and make the series sprite and set its size. Okay, and after that, it start the behavior begin and being draggable. So it make this sprite can draggable, and the ball is also, but the dog is not draggable. So when the dog touch this or this meal or it's, I think it's food. Okay, so when the dog touch the food, it change the size or increase the size by 10. So and play a sound. Okay, and this code, when the dog touch the ball and the ball, it is stop everything. Yes, after it stop everything, it start spinning. Okay, it starts spin. Okay, you can see when you run and drag, it starts spin. Okay, and play the sound. And when you drag the food to the dog is bigger because it has eaten something. Okay, eaten food, so it's big. Okay, drag drop. Okay, it's bigger. Okay, still big. And when you click the dog for this event, you can see here, when the dog was clicked, it stopped everything, and it has another one that's called block point. Okay, you can see here. Now I spin. After I click. Okay, when you click the dog, it stopped spinning and stopped everything. And after that, it moved the dark head to the north. You can see here. If you change this or to the S, you can see what happened. Okay, now I stop spin. Okay, now I click the dog. Okay, its head moved to the S. Okay, you can see here. So that's all its code. So if you understand that's all, so just click finish and go to the next puzzle. Okay, so first we read the instruction first. So now it's your turn to create your own virtual pet. Let's start by making sprite for your pet and its food. Okay, like that. It has a rabbit and carrot here. Okay, now it is your turn. Play with the virtual pet. Okay, so do this. It is optional, but just read. Click the costume tab. Okay, costume tab to add new costume to your project. Okay, it means that you can add the new sprite or the new object or the new character to your code or to your program. Okay, to your virtual pet. Beside or another of the dog or a rabbit, you can add more in the custom here. Okay, so if you don't want, can just play with the rabbit and carrot also. So choose a different location for your sprite and change the size of your sprite with the set size block. So they feel free to play. So you just change the background first. And after that, you drag or you can make a sprite by the new make sprite block. And after that, you set it location right here, but we change it to rabbit. Okay. I make another one called I think that's carrot. I think its location should not be here. It should be right there. Okay. And this one I make it up. After that, you change the side. Okay. Change the side to your sprite. Okay. Set the side here. Change the rabbit to size a little bit small, little bit small. Okay, no, I think it is 75. No, 25 only. Okay, right that. So the carrot should be smaller than the rabbit. Okay, so we set it to 50. That's right. Carrot. So like that. So you make the sprite or change or move point or something. You can see this or start behavior. Okay, begin. And I think it should be draggable, being draggable like that, like you see before. Okay. Okay, sorry, we put in the wrong sprite. So ram and drag. Okay. So we can play the even touch. Okay, we add it. Okay. When you think that when your carrot or your rabbit touch the carrot, what do you want? Yeah, you can make your sprite bigger by it change size by 10. Okay, like that. Reset and run. Okay. Okay, you can see. Okay. If you want the sound, you can drag the sound in the world, play sound, and after that choose the sound. Okay. I just like okay a little bit slow. I can search for each. No, for it. Food. Okay, no food. Stop drinking. No. Okay, what should we call it? Okay, I just collect. Okay, use this. So when the carrot write this, it like sound of it like that. Okay. Okay. After that, when you click on the, okay, I used another one even that called click. So when you click on the rabbit, okay, so you can make your sprite start a new behavior like the, okay, now I stop everything or not. Okay, I should stop everything. And stop everything. After it stop everything, it start with a new behavior. Okay, what is the behavior you want? Okay, let's add okay, it driving with arrow key, fluttering, growing, or spinning, or anything you want. Okay, now I use this. Just run it. You can click. Okay, click. Okay, okay, drag, drop. Okay, okay. So if you don't want this behavior, you can change it to another one like the growing or anything. Okay, now I choose this, click, and it's growing. Okay, that's all about this project. If you want your rabbit movable or anything, you can add this too. Okay, now I change this to movable for your rabbit. It start even it is by begin. Okay, I set to the drawable too. Okay, or draggable, not drawable. Sorry, you can drag. So if you want that, you can clear this. Okay, now I drag it here. So when I drag it, okay, sorry, because we use this one, so I delete it. Run, hit, drag, drag. Oh, sorry, because this one is not a rabbit, it's dog. Okay, okay, you can drag the rabbit to the carrot too. Okay, you can see it is big also. Okay, that's all. Continue. So it is possible. Next, make it so the user can move the food to your pet with the being drawable behavior. I think this we have done already in the last puzzle, and I think is we do it already. I think. So let what can we see here? Stop everything and growing. Let's check it. Okay. What happened here? Should make a sprite draggable. Remove behavior from your pet. Remove the behavior from your pet. Okay, so remove behavior from your pet. Okay, now remove this. Okay, now red. Okay, okay, that's all. It's just quite a bit simple, right? Like that. So it doesn't want us to draggable for our pet, so we can drag only the carrot here. Okay, that's all. Okay, so now let's use the new when touching even block to make your sprite grow when it adds. So for this one, we also done it early. So Okay, when you drag, drop, it is it is big here. So I think this puzzle we have done already. Okay, continue. Another one. Drag a ball or add another draggable sprite for your pet to play with. This could be the toy or even a friend. So make another sprite. Okay. It wants us to make another sprite, so I create another one called this guy is oh this is rat. Rat. Where it is rat? This one. But we can use this or tiger. Okay. Make the tiger. Tiger is bigger than the rabbit. Okay. So make it drawable. So you just set another behavior. So I set on this. So here behavior. Okay, draggable. Run. Oh, sorry, I forgot to choose this to tiger. Okay, okay. It just wants us to make another sprite, choose costume to represent you, pet toy or friend. I think I add friend, change the size, okay, give no sprite being drawable behavior. So in this, we can make the tiger bigger or smaller up to you. So I think should it is good. So I just click and continue to the next. So now let's show your pet excitement by giving it behavior when the new sprite touch it. Okay, so we add when touch block to your code and select your pet and its toy or friend. So I think we use this even when touch here. Okay, when the dog, oh no, when the rabbit touch the tiger, you can add sprite begin block to give your pet the new behavior when its new sprite was typed. Play sound so the pet excitement. So you can add the behavior to your sprite when the touch by add this and should be the tiger and the rabbit afraid of tiger. That's right. So you can make your sprite or your rabbit move to the north. Okay, like that. So let looks okay. It's not touch. Okay. Keep coding something not quite right yet. Okay. Oh, this is dark. I'm sorry. Moving the rabbit. Okay, this one. This one should be done. Okay. Run. Okay. Why? Because your new sprite is tiger. Tiger not a friend to the rabbit. It should be move. If not move, it was edit. Okay. So that's all for this project. Okay. They say that give your pet the behavior when the new sprite was typed. I think it's okay already. Go to the last puzzle, the puzzle 7. Okay, great job. What else can you add to your program? Try anything you like. Try this idea. Okay, what's idea? Add another sprite that interact with your pet in different way. Okay, use when pet click block to make your pet stop any behavior. Okay, experiment with a different behavior, combine behavior that make the sprite move with behavior like fluttering, jittering, or wobbling to make things more lights. Okay, so first, if you want, add another sprite. Okay, now we can add another sprite. I add I think the fish not good for that. I think I add this guy. Okay, and I make set the size a little bit small. Okay, and drag another to this. And after that, make it drawable. Okay, or draggable. Sorry, not drawable. So I move it here. I think this stop everything growing. Okay, I delete it. Let's run. Okay, it's like before, but this one not draggable yet. So we should change this guy to this. Okay, okay, okay. So when touching, okay, so we add another even. Okay, I drag it up here. This is the code that we have written. So make it up there. When the new sprite touch with our pad and play the sound or not, it's up to you. Then set the new behavior like what behavior. Now I set the growing. Now I set this growing. Let's try. Okay. But when we click the our pad, it stop everything. Okay. So we add another one. This even click, it stop everything. Let's see what is that. Click. Okay. Oh, this is dog, not cat, and not the rabbit. Run it. Okay, click. Okay, when you click it, it stop growing. When you touch it again, it's growing. Okay, that's all. And if you want to add another one behavior, you can add when you click the pad. So we just set the wobbling to the behavior of the sprite. Okay, that is your pad here. That's right. Run, drag and drop. Okay. When you click it, everything stop. It stop growing, but it start the new behavior wobbling. Okay, I think that's all for this. Okay, you feel free to play with it. Okay, so I think that's all. See you in the next lesson in the next video.